Hey, every morning your kidneys quietly fight a battle that few people ever think about. They filter your blood, remove toxins, balance your electrolytes, and keep your entire system alive without asking for thanks. But what if the way you start your morning is slowly pushing your kidneys toward failure? What if the coffee, the breakfast, or even the silence in your morning routine is quietly increasing your creatinine and lowering your GFR? That's the chilling truth behind chronic kidney decline. It doesn't happen overnight. It begins with small, innocent choices repeated every day. And by the time the warning signs appear, it's often too late to reverse the damage. But here's the good news. If you change just a few of your morning habits, you can dramatically lower creatinine, improve your GFR, and even restore your kidney filtration efficiency. This is not a miracle claim. It's biology. Your kidneys respond to consistency, hydration, and stress balance more than anything else. So let's talk about the 5 powerful morning habits that have been shown to help decrease creatinine and improve GFR naturally. Habits that can change the trajectory of your kidney health starting tomorrow morning. The first thing you must understand is what creatinine really means. It's not a disease. It's a message. Creatinine is a waste product produced by your muscles when they generate energy. Under normal conditions, your kidneys filter it out easily. But when kidney function slows down, creatinine builds up in your bloodstream. A rising creatinine level doesn't always cause symptoms at first. That's why it's dangerous. You feel fine, yet your kidneys are quietly overworked. And then there's GFR, glomerular filtration rate, the measure of how much blood your kidneys filter each minute. The lower the GFR, the weaker your kidney's ability to remove waste. Your goal isn't just to reduce creatinine, it's to raise GFR by improving your kidney's overall health. Let's start with the first habit. Morning habit number 1, smart hydration. The first thing most people do when they wake up is either grab their phone or rush to the coffee pot. The last thing they think about is their kidneys. But after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is mildly dehydrated. That means your kidneys have been filtering with reduced water support all night. The first glass of water in the morning is like a restart button for your filtration system. But here's where people go wrong. They drink cold water, fast, and often too much. That sudden shock constricts blood vessels and reduces kidney blood flow. The right way? Warm or room temperature water sipped slowly. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice or a pinch of Himalayan salt if you're not on a sodium-restricted diet. That mild alkalinity helps neutralize acid buildup and supports filtration. Within minutes, your kidneys get a hydration boost and begin flushing out overnight waste. People who start their mornings this way often notice lighter urine color and less fatigue, early signs that the kidneys are catching up. Morning habit number 2, skip the caffeine rush. Coffee isn't evil, but timing matters. When you wake up, your body's cortisol is already at its highest. Adding caffeine on top spikes your blood pressure, which in turn stresses your delicate kidney capillaries. Over time, this pressure wears down filtration efficiency. The smarter move is to delay coffee by at least an hour. During that time, switch to a kidney-friendly drink like dandelion tea, nettle leaf tea, or barley water. These herbal options act as mild diuretics, helping flush toxins without overloading your kidneys. Some people notice a slight increase in urination during the first week of this habit. That's your body clearing waste it had been holding on to. The bonus is your blood pressure stabilizes and your morning energy becomes steadier. Once your body's cortisol drops naturally, your kidneys can handle a cup of coffee much more comfortably later in the morning. Morning habit number 3, 10 minutes of movement. This habit is underestimated. Most people think kidney health is only about food or supplements, but the truth is, circulation determines filtration. Your kidneys receive about 20% of your blood flow every minute. If your morning is sedentary, just sitting with your phone or computer, your filtration rate stays sluggish. 10 minutes of light movement is enough to wake up your kidneys. You don't need intense workouts. In fact, overtraining can backfire because excessive muscle breakdown releases more creatinine. Think of it as movement medicine. A brisk walk around the block, gentle stretching, yoga, or breathing exercises that expand your diaphragm and boost oxygen intake. Here's what happens physiologically. Movement improves microcirculation, which increases the kidney's oxygen supply. This helps them remove waste more efficiently. Many nephrologists confirm that patients who engage in consistent low-intensity activity maintain better GFR levels over time. You'll feel it too: clearer head, reduced morning stiffness, and better urine output throughout the day. Morning habit number 4. Calm before the day. Stress is a hidden toxin for your kidneys. When you wake up anxious, check your emails, and jump straight into tension, cortisol floods your bloodstream. High cortisol narrows blood vessels and raises blood pressure, reducing kidney filtration. Over time, this contributes to hypertension, the #1 cause of kidney damage in adults. To break the cycle, insert 2 minutes of calm before your day begins. It could be deep breathing, meditation, or simply sitting quietly with gratitude. Take 5 deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and let your nervous system reset. This 1 minute of calm lowers cortisol dramatically and opens the blood vessels feeding your kidneys. Over time, people who start their mornings this way report more stable blood pressure, improved focus, and better lab readings. Remember, your kidneys are not just physical filters. They're also emotional mirrors. Chronic stress and suppressed anger directly affect your blood chemistry. A calm mind equals cleaner blood. Morning habit number 5. The Kidney Smart Breakfast. Now comes the part most people misunderstand. Breakfast can make or break your kidney recovery. The standard Western breakfast, bacon, eggs, sausage, and toast, is a high-protein, high-sodium storm that forces your kidneys to work overtime. When your kidneys are already struggling, the extra protein produces excess nitrogen waste, which raises creatinine levels even further. The right approach is a kidney-supportive breakfast that fuels your body without burdening it. Oats with blueberries, chia seeds soaked overnight, a smoothie with spinach and banana, or whole-grain toast with avocado. These choices provide fiber, potassium, and antioxidants without heavy protein load. If you need protein, choose plant-based sources like lentils or tofu, and always keep portions moderate. This kind of breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and promote filtration. Remember, inflammation is a hidden driver of kidney decline. The more anti-inflammatory your meals, the more efficiently your kidneys perform. Let's pause for a reality check. You might be thinking, can something this simple really lower creatinine? The answer lies in consistency. When these 5 habits become daily rituals, they create a compounding effect. Better hydration reduces waste concentration. Balanced mornings prevent blood pressure spikes. Gentle movement improves circulation. Mindful calm lowers cortisol. And clean breakfasts reduce kidney load. The cumulative result? Lower creatinine, higher GFR, and a body that runs cleaner. Now, here's something most people never consider. The open loop you must close to truly heal your kidneys. Timing. Every organ in your body follows a circadian rhythm. Your kidneys are most active between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. That means your morning choices carry more weight than anything you do later in the day. If you drink alcohol at night or eat heavy protein at dinner, your kidneys recover overnight. But if you start the day with stress and caffeine, they begin under pressure. Respecting their natural rhythm turns these morning habits into powerful therapy. Let's bring this closer to home with a short story. John, a 56-year-old accountant from Texas, lived on coffee, protein bars, and late nights. His creatinine shot up to 1.8 and his GFR dropped below 60, an early warning of kidney disease. His doctor suggested medication, but John decided to first focus on lifestyle. He replaced his morning coffee with lemon water, walked 10 minutes every morning, and started journaling for 2 minutes before work. Within 3 months, his creatinine dropped to 1.3, and his GFR improved by nearly 10 points. No new pills, no detox kits, just discipline and awareness. John's story isn't unique. Dozens of clinical studies confirm that lifestyle intervention, especially morning hydration and low-stress routines, can stabilize or even improve kidney function in early-stage decline. Your body is built to heal when you remove what harms it. So what's the bigger picture here? Creatinine is not your enemy, it's your messenger. When you ignore it, your kidneys suffer in silence. When you listen to it, you gain control. The solution isn't complicated or expensive. It's hidden in your mornings. Imagine yourself tomorrow. You wake up, sip warm water, breathe slowly, stretch your arms, feel gratitude for another day, and sit down to a clean, nourishing breakfast. Your energy feels lighter. Your body feels balanced. That's not coincidence. That's your kidneys responding in real time. Don't wait until fatigue, swelling, or lab results scare you into action. Prevention is power. These 5 habits, hydration, calm mornings, mindful movement, reduced caffeine, and kidney-smart breakfasts, are the foundation of lifelong kidney resilience. So here's your challenge. Commit to them for the next 30 days. Keep a simple journal. Note your morning energy, your urine color, and your mood. You'll notice subtle but steady improvements. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Your kidneys thrive on routine, not extremes. And if you already have mild kidney issues, remember this: early intervention works. Talk to your healthcare provider, follow your prescribed plan, and use these habits as natural support. Every good morning is one more day of healing. Before you leave, I want to leave you with this truth. Your kidneys don't need magic powders or quick fixes. They need mindful mornings. Because healing doesn't begin in a hospital, it begins in your home when you choose differently. Now tell me in the comments, which of these morning habits will you start tomorrow? Your story might inspire someone else to protect their kidneys before it's too late. And if you found value in this message, join us at Nutrizlab. We bring you science-backed wellness insights, simple lifestyle strategies, and real reviews that help you live longer and stronger. Visit www.nutrizlab.com for more expert-crafted health guides and supplement education. Outro. Nutrizlab brand closure. At Nutrizlab, we believe small daily habits can rewrite your health story. If you care about your kidneys, your energy, and your future, hit like, share this video with someone over 40, and subscribe for weekly science-based wellness insights. Remember, your morning choices today decide your kidney health tomorrow.